स्टूडेंट, आई एम निशांत शर्मा फ्रॉम सिटी वोकेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल। नॉर्मली आप सब लोग जब बैठे होते हैं तो आपने एक बात नोटिस करी होगी, फैन एकदम से स्लो हो जाता है और हम कहते हैं कि वोल्टेज कम आ रही है। तो वोल्टेज कम आने से करंट कैसे चेंज करता है और आपका फैन कैसे स्लो हो जाता है, इसी चीज़ को आज हम समझेंगे बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ओम्स लॉ। ओम्स लॉ वॉज गिवन बाय जॉर्ज साइमन ओम। नाउ व्हाट इज ओम्स लॉ? According to Ohm's law, when temperature and all physical conditions of a conductor are constant, then the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the two terminals of the conductor. So what it says the potential is directly proportional to the current of the conductor. We can write V is equal to IR, where R is constant. It is constant only when physical conditions of a conductor are constant. Then your resistance, the R is called resistance, is constant. Okay, now let's see the Ohm's law circuit diagram. In Ohm's law circuit diagram, we have a resistor, we have a ammeter. Always remember, ammeter is connected in series. We have a voltmeter, and voltmeter is always connected in parallel. We have a battery source, a key, a rheostat. Rheostat is used as a variable resistance. Now we see this circuit diagram in Ohm's law apparatus. This is our Ohm's law apparatus. In Ohm's law apparatus, we have a ammeter. Ammeter is in milli, so we called it milliammeter. This is your voltmeter, which measure potential difference. This is your rheostat, which act as a variable resistance. This is your power supply. When we on the power supply and we vary the rheostat, and we reaches to 1 volt, then the current measured is 110 milliampere. Now if I change the potential difference to 2 volt, now your current measure is 220 milliampere. If I change it to 3 volt, then it will be 340 milliampere. Now let's see the diagram. Now let's see the VI diagram. The readings which we get, we will mark the current reading here, we will mark the potential reading here. The graph we obtained is a straight line. This graph is a straight line in your theoretical concepts. In practically, it may be a curved line. But here we get a VI graph, a straight line. Now, if we calculate the slope of the graph, the slope is equal to perpendicular over base. So, if I draw a line from here, my perpendicular will be V, my base will be I. So, slope will be V over I. V over I is your resistance. So according to Ohm's law, we get R is equal to V over I, and we get the value of R as constant. Now let's see some board important question. Once a board given a question where they gives you a diagram like this, A and B, they have a marking here as V and marking here as I. Now they ask you which one of them have higher resistance, A or B. So I say slope of A is greater than slope of B. So resistance of A is more than resistance of B. Now remember one important thing, if the axes are changed, if this is your I and this is your V, then the slope will be equal to 1 over R. And the resistance, this is your A, this is your B. And the resistance of B will be more than resistance of A, because now it gives the reciprocal of resistance. Thank you.